Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to use QuickTime Player. So with the help of QuickTime Player, you can easily record your screen. You can also screenshot of the screen. You can also audio record with the help of QuickTime Player. You can screenshot of the specific region. Okay, specific screen, and you can also screen record some specific area of the screen. Okay, with the use of QuickTime Player you can easily do all these things. So how to do it? There are some shortcuts also for that. So if you want to record the screen with the help of QuickTime Player, you have to just click on command shift and 5. So when you click on command shift and 5, you will see like this. You can capture selected window, you can capture entire screen, you can also capture selected portion. Okay, so when you press command shift and 5, you will see like this. Okay, now if you want to take screenshot, what you have to do, you have to press command shift and 3. You will see that screen record. You can screenshot of the screen. Okay, so if you want to screenshot of some specific area, so what you have to do, you have to just press command shift and 4, and now you have to just select the area of which you want to screenshot. Okay, like this. And if you want to audio record, what you have to do, you have to just right click on it, and here you will see audio recording, new audio recording, and you have to just press here and you can record your audio. So like this you can do all these things with the help of QuickTime Player. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.